Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create and register your business on DetailDirect. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, click on Register Your Business and select Detailer. Enter your email address, first and last name, and your business name. Then, create a password and accept the terms. Once you're set, you can move on to either setting up your profile or posting a listing. To get started, go to Profile Settings. Here, you can add a profile picture and write a bio that helps clients learn more about you and your services. In Account Settings, you'll need to verify your email before your listings can go live. You can also add your payout details, company information, and select your preferred payment options, including adding a credit card if needed. Now, let's move on to posting a listing. Head over to Your Listings and click Post a New Listing. Let's create a listing for a service paid by the hour. We'll name this listing Exterior Detail and describe the job as I will provide exterior detailing. Next, select the type of service, mobile or at a physical location. For this example, we'll choose mobile. Click Next, then enter your service location. You can choose to specify a city or expand your reach by targeting an entire state. Here, we'll set it to Scottsdale, Arizona. Set your hourly rate. Let's say $65 per hour. After that, define your schedule by selecting the time zone and the days and hours you're available. For example, you could set your availability to Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Save your schedule, then click Next. You can now upload photos showcasing your work. Before and after shots are always great. When you're done, click Publish Listing. And just like that, your listing is live. When clients find your listing, they can select a time and date to book your services. For example, if they want to book you at 12 p.m., you will receive a booking request, which you'll need to confirm on your end. If someone searches Scottsdale, Arizona, your listing will appear, along with its location. Clients can also use the Send Inquiry feature to message you directly. You can view all messages in your inbox, accessible from the top right corner of the dashboard. After completing jobs, clients will have the option to leave reviews. These reviews will appear on your profile and can help boost your visibility and credibility over time. That covers the basics. We designed DetailDirect to be as simple and user-friendly as possible, so you can focus on growing your business. Thank you for choosing DetailDirect, and we're excited to have you on board.